Alrighty. Uh, la 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 la. Just watching ADTX here. So and Peggy, but Peggy's not doing so much right now. So ADTX has a 2.34 million share float and a 7.3 million market cap. At least that's what DAS says. So here comes the pop up. It tends to pop and then drop. It needs to get over 45s and then add over 50s for a quick break up to, I don't know, 65, 75. So the daily chart looks like there's heavy resistance here at 335s. So if it can break 340s, 350s, we can look up to 450s. Just watching. Nothing really seems like it's popping up. You know, ADTX only has half a mil volume. Yeah, look at that. It just pops and then there's 40. It's 42s. I'd like to see 45s to see if people really buy this up. It's kind of hesitating here. So in the 1 minute, it's a lot of green candles, but it just feels like it's locked. There we go. There's 44. I'll take a starter there. 500 shares at 45s. Gonna add here at 49s. 1,000 shares, average is 46. Didn't break. I would have thought that would come up in flush. So let's just see if it pops back up here. I think I added at 48s. There's 40s. So watching the sellers could either get bought up or sold into. Like there's people trying to get in front of the sellers at 40s. Just no volume. There's a better push. No, I'll just get out of that. So I was down 130 bucks on ADTX. I got stuck. I couldn't get out there. So Try to get out 35s. I got slippage till 30s. That's fine. Would have saw that coming. So here's the SPY. So now here's our range. So made a high at 367s. You know, did break through this consolidation area there, and then it's pulling back. So let's see just if it holds. We'll see if we go for long or short at the open. I added aggressively there. Let's just go back to what I was. So I took my starter at 45s and I added at 47s. But so I took a starter at what? 45s. So yeah, the break of this pivot here, 44, there's 45. And then I added right there for the break of 50 and it hit 49.5 and then immediately pulled back. Couldn't get out in time. So far, I haven't had a successful small cap morning in like over a month. They all just pop up, break back down. So here's the SPY. We have 10 minutes to the bell, and it looks like, yeah. Oh, that's the SPX. My apologies. Oh, this is RMED. What the hell? There. So big topping tail on the 15. It looks like we might be rejecting this 340, 365. Oh my god, 365 area. So we can take a look on the 5. Big rejection. Coming back into this window. So let's just watch if there's a breakdown here. I'm also keeping my eye if this comes and pops back up, but I think I'm over it. Just 10 minutes over from the bell. Just short it. Right. There. Text. Sorry. I don't know why it doesn't say summary, but it should say. Oh, come on. So nothing going on here. Let's just see what it wants to do here. If it breaks above the 365 area or 366, 360, 650s. Take it long to break higher of that consolidation period yesterday at the close. Okay. 8 minutes to the bell here. It's not much to talk about. You know, ADTX tried my luck. No cigar. Got out. One thing I have to learn is like slippage is when I'm waiting to get out. Like it's a little bit scary when I just see it just sitting there. Like I still had 250 shares left and it wasn't selling at 34s or 35s. So I had to cancel my order and then resell at 30s. But whatever. And that's my small caps. Small caps aren't very fun right now. Especially into the open, so there's no way I'm trading those. Normally pre-market they all just kind of they run or drop, so that's the best time for me to take them. But onto the SPY, we got 7 minutes left before the open. I wouldn't say left. We got the whole day ahead of us, but so that was a big push up to 367. 366.92s was the highs. It did break this consolidation, but it did reject it entirely. Give it all back. It's back at 365s. 367, sorry. Oh, my apologies. That's the cues. Change that to the SPY. Change that to the SPY. Get ready. Contracts. So starting our day down, just like yesterday. Down 130. You know. Max loss is 500. You got 5 minutes. I'll go on mute for 5 minutes. Okay. Figure out about 40 seconds to the bell. You know, this is looking good. If this was opening right now, I'd take a long over 365.60s up into the retest of, you know, the high, but I don't know if I want to take this high over this level. It's just super extended on the 5. I feel like we have to get an opening range and it'll pop up and drop, or it'll bear flag like it's about to do, and then drop back down, which should be a good, I don't know. I think I'm going to hold off just because I don't want to be stuck in a rip down or up like a V shape when it comes right up and then right back down. So here's the opening bell. And market's open for business. So let's just watch what it does here. Also want to watch Peggy, the opening, and ADTX. When it says ADTX, let's watch Peggy. So they're both running up. This is ADTX. It's not even moving? What the heck? Oh, is it halted? Might be halted. Whatever. I don't think it was halted. Five 30s and 3 30s. That's gross. Okay, so let's just focus our attention on the SPY here. So let's just watch it make the opening range. So it's testing the lows, supported that. Got it. Okay, broke the lows. 50 period does not hold. On the 5, does it? Nope. So heavy drops. Okay, so that's a range we can watch. You know, if you're patient at the open, you know, the first 5-10 minutes, and it establishes where it wants to test, where it wants to go, and then you jump in once it like decides to break either up or down. All right, so like there, now it's probably going to test the highs. Look at that bounce. I'd love to take that long. I'm gonna jump in that. Ah, root. Are you kidding me? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna let it do its thing. So let's just say we get in here. If I get in here with the sim, nope. The reason why I'd get in with the sim and not my live is just to test out, you know, just to see the range. But it looks like it wants to break out higher. I'm gonna take that to the long side. Oh, it didn't even fill. That's annoying. Okay, well, that was my one and only try, so hands off, just watching now. Okay. So still respecting this top area. You know. Move that to there. That's our opening range. So it's a bull flag on the 15. Did make a new high. or this red small doji. But still definitely confused on the day. Up and down, up and down. So it might be an inside day, might just, it's Friday, right? So don't push yourself too hard. So let's just watch which way it's going today. Looks like it might test the downside. There's the drop. So we can watch it break down and hit 363.50s and then maybe consolidate and then break below that point, get in for a short. What is going on today? It's laggy. So, wow, that's a strong support. So this looks good. I'm gonna take. Okay. Oh no, not this again. There. Gonna add here. So I'm at 127s. I want to look to add for the break of this consolidation period if it pushes higher. Oh, for God's sakes. I'm gonna put. Let's see if I can get out, break even here. Just see if it fails. Who knows? Yeah, it's not selling back down. It's 20. Let's just see, 27s. I'm gonna try and get out at 31s. Just because, there, I'm out. So I was quick 20 bucks. I did not mean to take that short. I meant to take that long. I do that every time. So now let's watch this. Let me break this resistance. See if we can get a better entry down here in like the 40s. Well, not if it reverses like that. Woof. So still in this range. Still in this breakout range. I could have held my short. It's okay. So let's see. It's still somewhat holding. I'm gonna take a starter here along 140s. That was a bad fill. If it breaks the highs, then I'm gonna add. Dang. Just watch it hold this area. Hmm. Still in this range. 5 minutes or 5 seconds till this candle closes. Here we go. I think that was the new 5, right? Or not. It's holding. No. Why couldn't I get out? I'm having troubles getting filled today. Yeah, we haven't seen confirmation of any trend. Not looking good. I'm out. Oh, $200 loss. That's okay. So that's the thing of trend trading. You know, we lost again, so we're going to look to get into this short. There, in at short 164s, breaking the low on this. Come on, man. That's annoying. Gotta get out. So that's a $600 loss right there. That's okay. Let's just calm down. You know, too many trades. Just hold off. No rush. So let's watch this break out. You know, let's watch. I don't want to get in just yet. I want to see this range get established. Okay, I added back. Oh, no more positions, right? Dang. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the live stream here then. Down 6:20 on the day. Peace out.